Cognizant has been working in our customer facilities for the last 20 years. We very well understand the needs and the changing requirements of the life science manufacturing industry.
We are life science people fundamentally. In Cognizant, when we're in life science manufacturing, we are life science people. We've all grown up in the industry, we've worked in it exclusively, so we understand what is required for GMP manufacturing. We understand what's required for the regulatory requirements and the quality that's needed. And we've been working in it with our customers. So we become the customer. Our values are the same as our customers. We focus on the patients and we power that patient health.
So I suppose our depth of expertise really is where Cognizant is uniquely positioned. Within the manufacturing supply chains, technologies, I mentioned automation, MES technologies, lab technologies, what we would call digital technologies. Cognizant associates around the world are uniquely skilled in all these technologies.
We offer assistance to the customer inside the gates of the factory on site, shoulder to shoulder with the customer, assisting them with the making of the medicine in order to improve it and continually deliver on the promises that are needed.
Cognizant's associates possesses the skills that are needed to improve the manufacturing supply chains.
So we can provide sort of one team, one governance in this local and global way. We can take the expertise and drive the technology to deliver these value outcomes, and that we can release the value as we go and release it early and release it often.